This is the social services update for the city of Somerville for March 4th. Unemployment numbers across the country and locally have not changed too much compared to the previous few weeks. Initial unemployment claims for the week ending February 27th was up 4.4% from the previous week. Seasonal factors had expected a decrease of 3.1% from the previous week. The unemployment rate for the week ending February 20th, this is the most recent data available, was 3.4%, which is unchanged from the previous week. In Massachusetts, the unemployment rate numbers are from December 2020. That is the most recent data we have available. For the state of Massachusetts, that unemployment rate was 7.1% for December 2020. And in the past week, for the week ending February 20th, the rate was 4.54%, which was down 0.2% from the previous week. In Somerville, the unemployment rate for December 2020, which is the most recent data available, was 5.4%. This graph shows us the number of total unemployment claims in the last 52 weeks. That's the top graph on the red line. And the blue line shows the number of total unemployment claims from the prior year. The bottom graph shows on the red line the number of total unemployment claims in the last 52 weeks. And the blue line shows the number of total unemployment claims in the prior year. So we can see at the very tail end of the red line on both of those graphs, kind of plateauing occurring. These are the Somerville and Massachusetts unemployment rates for December 2020. An unemployment benefit update. The pandemic unemployment benefits nationwide are set to expire March 14th. This includes pandemic unemployment assistance, which is the unemployment benefit available for self-employed and gig workers, the federal pandemic unemployment compensation, which is the supplemental $300 per week that is added on to unemployment benefits, and the pandemic emergency unemployment compensation, which is a 24-week extension to unemployment benefits for those individuals whose benefits had already expired or been used up. All of these benefits are set to expire March 14th if a stimulus package is not approved at the federal level. More about that. That relief package is a $1 trillion stimulus plan, which last Saturday, February 27th, Congress passed. That plan is now currently in the Senate, and they are expected to make a decision on that, and there will be more news about that happening very soon in the next week or two, is what is expected. What has changed under this plan since going into the Senate compared to the last social services update that we gave? One thing to note is that the $1,400 stimulus checks, the income threshold for those checks may be lowered to $160,000 per year income for couples and $80,000 per year income for individuals. This was previously $200,000 a year for couples and $100,000 a year for individuals. So that may reduce the number of people that are eligible to receive that full stimulus check. Another thing to note is that under this plan, adult dependents, including college students, are expected to be eligible for the $1,400 stimulus check. That was not the case for the previous two stimulus checks from early last spring and the one that just went out at the end of 2020. Another thing to note is that the $15 per hour minimum wage increase by 2025, that was part of the congressional plan is it's still included in the bill, and it was part of the bill that Congress did pass last week, but it's uncertain if it will remain. There has been some doubt cast on the ability for that aspect of the plan to be included, and it may not last in the Senate, but it is unclear what's going to happen to that piece right now. Another important update is a new federal internet subsidy announcement. The Federal Communications Commission, FCC, has approved an emergency high-speed internet subsidy, and more details came out about that last week. It is a $50 a month high-speed internet subsidy to low-income households. The subsidy also includes $100 one-time discount on computers or tablets, and it is expected that this subsidy will be available to individuals within 60 days, so around the end of April. The provider of this subsidy providers has yet to be determined. The FCC is working on this and say that they will be identifying providers who will offer this subsidy in the coming days. More locally in Massachusetts, on February 26th, the Massachusetts Department of Public Utilities extended the moratorium on residential gas, electric, and water utility shutoffs until July 1st, 2021. Originally, that was set to expire April 1st. It has now been extended to July 1st. If you are a Somerville resident and you're struggling to make ends meet and having trouble paying your bills or your rent, or your mortgage, or having any other trouble accessing basic needs, please contact us. You can call 311, which out of Somerville is 617-666-3311. Please give us a call if you need help with any of this. An update on transportation options for individuals who are eligible to get a COVID-19 vaccine and need help getting to their appointments. All Mass Health members, including those on Mass Health Standard, the Mass Health Safety Net, or Mass Health Limited, can receive free transportation to and from their vaccine appointments. To set up this transportation, you must call your Mass Health customer service. That number is 800-841-2900, or if you need TTY service, you can call 800-497-4648. Again, that number to call Mass Health for assistance with transportation to a vaccine appointment is 800-841-2900. Additionally, Somerville Cambridge Elder Services can provide free transportation to local vaccine sites for individuals who are 60 years and older and those of any age that have disabilities. Local vaccine sites includes CVS sites that are nearby Somerville and the Fenway Mass Vac site. To set up transportation through Somerville Cambridge Elder Services, please call 617-628-2601. That's 617-628-2601. If you need help with transportation or coordinating transportation with Mass Health or Somerville Cambridge Elder Services, you can always call 311. That is the one stop to the city. We can help you out with getting connected to those services. And just another reminder, during COVID-19, the City of Somerville is here to help you. If you need any assistance, need access and help finding resources, or want to learn more about how to help someone else in your neighborhood with food access, rent or mortgage assistance, internet access, small business support, help signing up for a vaccine appointment, senior services, immigrant services, mental health support, signing up for a COVID-19 test, or any other basic needs, please call 311 at 617-666-3311. Multilingual support is available, and we will be able to assist anyone with any language needs. Please give us a call. Thank you for listening to this update, and we'll be back next week with another update on social services.